Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
You have to associate with both. Guru Krishna Kripa Paya Bhakti Lata Bhi. Both Guru's Kripa and Krishna's Kripa. They must be joined. Very good.
We're very eager to get that Guru.
Oh.
We are.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, Jasya Prasad, Bhagavad Prasad. If you get Guru's Kripa, then automatically you get Krishna.
Guru Kripa only comes by pleasing the spiritual master, Srila Prabhupada?
Otherwise how?
Excuse me?
Otherwise how it can come?
So those disciples who don't have opportunity to see you and speak with you.
That he is speaking. Bani and Bopu. Even if you don't see his body, you take his word. Bani.
How do they know they're pleasing you, Srila Prabhupada?
If you actually follow the words of Guru, that means he is pleased. If you do not follow, how you can...
Not only that, but your mercy is spread everywhere. And if we take advantage, you told us once, then we will feel the result.
Yeah.
If we have faith in what the Guru says, then automatically we'll do that.
Yeah. My Guru Maharaj passed in 1936 and I started this movement in 1965, 30 years after. Then I am getting the mercy of Guru. Huh? This is Bani.
Yes.
Even the Guru is not physically present. If you follow the Bani, then you are getting help.
So there's no question of ever separation as long as the disciple follows the instruction of Guru.
No. Chakkudan Dilajai. What is that? Next one.
Chaksudan Diloche.
Janme Janme Purus. So why there is separation? Who has opened your eyes is birth after birth you have seen.
Yes.
You never feel any intense separation from your spiritual master?
That you do not require to question.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.